Sobrang tight. How do you take care of it?
Spray it once a week.
Once a week.
That is it. Keep it away from direct sunlight. There are live moss, live plants. Yeah. So it's a 2-hour workshop. There are 3 animals. Here there are a couple of small people here.
Oh.
You see, notice in the middle there's a small reindeer.
Oh, this one's really neat. Like it's
Has a waterfall. Yeah. So it has a pump inside. So, podium eh. So we were there last week. We had a workshop at the podium last week. Tayo mga our first time here in the South to do an exhibit and to do a workshop also next week. Ay, if you don't mind, you take a photo with you guys. Okay lang ba?
Okay, yeah.
Okay lang. Alright. Dude, sorry kasi content is life eh.
Yeah, no, for sure. I mean, I wouldn't.
There you go. Maraming salamat.